The summer days are hot and the nights are warm, and there's nothing to cool you down than a creamy mango kulfi. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Karen Ahmed. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really simple mango kulfi recipe. It's so easy to prepare and you can literally stick this in your freezer and enjoy this ice cream the whole summer through. Before I go any further with this recipe, do make sure you're subscribed to my channel. I upload videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see them. And ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will notify you every time I upload a new video. Now, let's get started. I'm going to let my stand mixer do all of the work for me. The first thing I need to do is whip together 200 ml of whipping cream. I'm going to let this go for a while till it starts to thicken. Now this may take a long time, but trust me, eventually it will start to get thick and creamy. Once it starts to thicken, I'm going to increase the speed. You can also use a handheld whisk or just an ordinary whisk. The best part about using a stand mixer is that you can just walk away and do other things. Once thick, drizzle in 200 ml of mango puree. This comes in a can, and be sure to use Indian mango puree, as in my opinion it's the sweetest and the best. There are many kinds out there, but I was able to find Alfonso puree, which are my favorite kind of mangoes. Once this is well incorporated, I'm going to take this out and place it in the fridge to stay cold. Next, I'm going to measure 200 ml of evaporated milk and 200 ml of condensed milk. Both of these are canned, and I stuck them in the fridge overnight so they're nice and cold. Pour them into a stand mixer and beat to incorporate. Add the cold mango cream mixture back in and whip it. I'm now going to transfer this into a measuring jug as it's easier to pour. I'm happy with the color, but if you want a bit more orange, you can use a touch of food coloring. I have a traditional kulfi stand here with kulfi molds, but you can also use popsicle molds or just set it in a freeze-proof container. Fill the kulfi molds. My molds come with caps, I prefer to seal the top with a piece of square foil. Stick these in the freezer for about 1 hour till they're semi-set. Remove, and while the ice cream is still soft, I'm going to insert sticks into the foil. The use of foil helps to keep the sticks straight as the ice cream hardens. Once prepared, these can live in your freezer for a month or so. To serve, just dip the mold in some warm water to release the kulfi. Serve this as is or garnished with sliced pistachios and saffron strands. I know these are going to be a big hit at my party. Thank you so much for joining me in Kravings Food Adventures. I hope you enjoyed this delicious recipe for mango kulfi. My friends and family really enjoyed it, and I'm sure you will too. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload a ton of videos every week, so make sure that you're subscribed so you're the first to see it. Also, share my channel and my videos with your family and friends, and ring the bell, that's YouTube's new bell icon. That will make sure that you're notified every time I upload a new video. And follow me on all of my social channels. I'm on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, Twitter, and even Snapchat. Till I see you next time, take care, happy eating, bye.